The world's oldest recorded cow lived to be 48 years old. The average lifespan is 15-20 years. Despite their small size, donkeys can carry heavy loads, often up to twice their own body weight. Ducklings recognize their mother's voice before hatching. They start learning sounds from inside the egg and can distinguish their mother's call. Goats were one of the first domesticated animals. Humans started domesticating goats around 10,000 years ago, making them one of the oldest farm animals. If a goose is injured, other geese may stay behind to protect it until it recovers or passes away. Chickens have tetrachromatic vision, meaning they can see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to humans. Horses have the largest eyes of any land mammal. Pigs have self-awareness. They can recognize themselves in mirrors. There are over 1,000 different sheep breeds worldwide. Turkeys' skin around their head and neck changes color in response to emotions. Rhinos communicate with each other using their sense of smell, and they leave messages for other rhinos in their poo. A European brown bear named Andreas is the oldest bear to have ever lived on record. He lived to be 50 years old. The average lifespan is 20 to 30 years old. Larger owl species, like great horned owls, sometimes eat other smaller owls. Meerkats can eat scorpions because they are resistant to the venom. They can also eat some snakes as they are immune to most snake toxins. Hedgehogs are omnivores. They like to eat slugs, millipedes, earthworms, beetles, caterpillars, and other insects, as well as fruits and mushrooms. Some butterflies can fly at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. Bald eagles are known for building the largest nests of any bird species. Elephants can live to over 65 years old, though most never get to this age due to poaching. Hyenas are more closely related to cats than to dogs. The lynx can't roar, but it does meow and purr like house cats, however they are not tameable. Parrots can not only mimic human speech, but can pretty much mimic any sound from sirens to water drip sounds. Baby guinea pigs are born fully formed with fur and teeth. Bees have 5 eyes. Flying frogs have webbed feet that allow them to glide for 12 to 15 meters. Penguins have a very fast metabolism. This means they poop every 20 minutes. Cats have a special organ called the vocal organ that allows them to taste scents in the air. The dog was the first domesticated animal around 15,000 years ago. Elephants are one of the few animals that can't jump. Some lizards can detach their tails if caught by surprise. Eagles have been tracked flying up to 100 to 125 miles in a single flight. Alligators can have up to 80 teeth at a time, and they replace them throughout their lives, going through thousands in a lifetime. Bears are found on every continent except Australia and Antarctica. Beavers are the largest rodents in North America and the second largest in the world. Blue jays are related to crows belonging to the Corvidae family. These two species of birds shared a common ancestor at some point in history. Wild boars are known for their impressive tusks, which are actually elongated canine teeth. Many deer species, like white-tailed deer, are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. Bison can run up to 35 miles per hour. They are extremely agile, can spin around quickly, jump high fences, and are strong swimmers. Bulls are actually colorblind. The reason bulls charge at a matador's red cape is due to the movement of the cape, not the color itself. Frogs demonstrate a range of emotions just like humans, including happiness, anxiety, excitement, and stress. Both male and female cardinals sing, which is unusual as many songbird species only have the males singing. All mammals live for around 1 billion heartbeats. Humans are the only ones that can live up to 2 billion heartbeats due to modern medicine and technology. The world record for the longest chicken flight is 13 seconds. Owls have a very bad sense of smell and rely on their hearing and eyesight to hunt. Hedgehogs are called hedgehogs because they build their nests in hedges and make snorting sounds like pigs and warthogs. Female orcas actually go through menopause. A group of giraffes is called a tower. Koalas are only pregnant for 30 to 35 days. There are surprisingly 60 species of kangaroo. Ants are the longest living insects, with some living up to 15 to 30 years. A raccoon's front and rear paws resemble a human hand. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily facts. Thanks for watching.